How to forward an entire email thread in Outlook in 2025. So if you want to forward an entire email thread in Outlook, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Outlook. After opening your Outlook, you can just simply go with a message, any message that you're comfortable with. Now, once you're on your message or once you're on your mail, you can right click on it and then go with find related and go with messages in this conversation. And as you can see that here you will have all of the messages with that thread. So you just need simply press Control A, and regardless of the messages that are here, they will all be selected. Once all has been selected, now you can right click and then you'll have forward option. You need to go with forward. And as you can see that all of the message threads or all of the mail threads have been selected, and you can just enter the receiver's email and then send. That's how you can forward an entire email thread in Outlook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.